Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the Blackcherry filter on TikTok. To get started, you want to go ahead and log into your TikTok application. You want to go ahead and click on the plus sign. Once you're here, you want to click on the effects and then you want to go ahead and look around for it if you can find it. For me, I have added it to my favorite. Alright, so this is the effect right here. Right, so suppose you can't find the effect like this. What you want to do is to click this search area here. And then you want to go ahead and search for black cherry. That's the effect right there. Suppose you cannot get it this way as well. What you want to do is to go to this page, link in the description. You want to scroll down until you can see this picture. You want to go ahead and click on it. And then you want to go ahead and add it to favorites and then hit use this effect. Guys, this is how to get the black cherry filter on TikTok. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.